Heartbeat 2012 film. Heartbeat is a 2012 Austrian short film directed by Romana Carén about a happily married couple learning about a life-changing diagnosis. The film is based on the stage play Wintervögel, which had its world premiere in 2010 at the Theater Drachengasse. Plot: Emilia and Bernhard James are over the moon when they learn that they are finally expecting a child. During a routine check, they are confronted with a terrifying diagnosis. Emilia has cancer. Her chances to survive are good, but therefore she will have to start with the treatment immediately. The doctor suggests an abortion, while Bernhard is willing to sacrifice the baby in order to save his wife's life. Emilia is already too attached to the baby. Time is running. Cast: Romana Carén, Emilia James, Valentin Schreier, Bernhard James, Katrin Eichberger, Dr. Wagner.